In this guide, you'll learn how to use NX Learn, the trading education platform on FXNX. Let's get started. Tap the FXNX tab at the bottom, then find and tap NX Learn. You'll see 14 structured learning modules from beginner to advanced. Complete them all to earn your trading certificate. Start with the skill assessment to test your current knowledge. Your results will customize the curriculum to match your level. Switch to the Practice tab for interactive quizzes. Weakness Workout targets your mistakes. Quickfire gives random questions, and subject drills let you practice specific topics. And that's it. You've completed all the steps. If you need any help, reach out via live chat on portal.fxnx.com. Happy trading!